Here's how to change the strap on the Apple Watch. First of all, let's turn it off to be safe. So we'll turn it off with the side button, press and hold until you see this option appear. Press the off and then turn to power off. Then turn the watch upside down and you'll see two buttons here. Press and hold these buttons with your nail and then slide out the strap. Do the same to the other side. They can go either way. Slide out the strap. And then you can see you've got another strap. Now it's important that we put the flat end with the button. As you can see, you've got a flat end and a raised bit. So put the flat end with the button and simply slide it in until you hear a click. Or it wiggles in. That's in. And then turn it around, do the same to the other side. Again, flat end at the top, slide it in till you hear a click and it wiggles in. And there you go. Now you've changed the strap, you can turn your watch back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appear. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.